Sending money on Monzo is a straightforward process that allows you to easily transfer funds to friends, family, or other accounts. Follow these steps to complete your transaction. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Payments. Once you're in the app, look for the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to start the process of sending money. Step 3. Select a recipient. You can choose a recipient from your contacts or enter their details manually. If you select from contacts, search for the person you want to send money to and tap on their name. Step 4. Enter the amount. After selecting the recipient, you will be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to send. Type in the desired amount and confirm it. Step 5. Review and send. Before finalizing the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap the send button to complete the transfer. You will receive a notification once the payment is successful. Now you know how to send money using Monzo. Enjoy the convenience of quick and easy transactions.